Hey guys, Oscar here. Today I'm going to do my second flight with the Mini 2. I'm going to try a few things. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm actually going to try a budget ND filters that I have here. Here we go. I got this for about $30 on Amazon. And the name brand are Sunny Life. I have used them before and they're pretty good for the price. I mean, $30. I don't think you're gonna get the same quality as the Polar Pro or the Freewell, but they are budget and I think they do the job. So I have used them in the past with the Mavic Pro, the original Mavic Pro, and I had great results. So I did get the ND8, 16, 32, and 64. So today I'm gonna try the ND16. It's about 430, 440, and I want to get some good quality sunset. And I like to record at 4K, 24 frames per second, ISO 100, and the shutter speed, I like to keep it at 1/50 because it's the closest to the 180 rule. Now the white balance, I keep it all manual and I keep it at 5400 kelvins. So let's see how this works. Once again, this is the ND16. So I'm going to turn on the aircraft. Okay. So it is connecting. And the reason I'm not doing the screen record is because I have no idea how to do the screen record on the
home point has been updated. Please
iPhone
check it on the map.
SE 2020. I have tried it in the past, but it keeps stopping. So let's go ahead and start recording some video here, okay?
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And this is how it looks with the ND16. So it looks pretty good. The picture looks amazing. Let's go ahead and bring it up a tiny bit more. Tiny bit more here. So this is a very nice picture of the houses here at the lake. And let's go forward. Let's go ahead and make a turn towards the sun. So the sun is setting, or it should be setting pretty soon. Okay, so here it's a sunset. I'm going to turn on, excuse me, I'm going to turn off the zebras. Okay, so I can see better here. So let's go ahead and do I'm gonna bring it to about 300, and I'm going to go ahead and record with the drone and enjoy the video. you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll bring you guys more videos.